What's good, guys? Welcome back into another video. Appreciate y'all stopping by. Today we'll be heading to the gym. Obviously that's why we're in this video, because that's a Captain Obvious moment. So yeah, nope, certified starting yapping already. No, but today is the first day back. It's Thursday, March 2nd. So first day back from the gym since we did since we went to Pigeon Forge. And you guys should be seeing that video already. Apologies for the late upload, but I just hadn't feel like uploading due to just me being tired from work. But we came back and got a lot of great footage, so I'm excited to get back to it, get back into the gym, and just have fun. Today's session is going to be a deadlift session. We'll probably pair it with legs. We're probably going to switch the training around to doing back on chest days. So on Mondays and Fridays, we'll do back and chest. And then we'll dedicate 2 days for legs and deadlift as well. So just trying to grow the legs. Looking at pictures back from vacation, I look solid up top, look great. But as I said before in the last video, we wasn't doing legs. Fuck, I was wrong. I should have probably did some legs because my shit looked a little. I don't like the way that looks. I like having a proportionate body. I've always had great legs. I don't have any calves anymore, which fucking suck. Granted, I never weighed that much, but it's time to start hitting the legs again. So, yeah, that reminds me. I don't have a fucking lifting belt. Is it in here? I can't deadlift without a belt. All right, on that note, we are out of here. I'll catch you guys at the gym. Peace. And we're back in the gym. What's going on? Getting a few reps in. All right, mid deadlift session. We started at just the bar, 25 to 95 pounds, then moved into 135, and then now 185. So the 185 felt good again. I don't have a belt, so I'm debating on how much I really want to go up. The highest I've deadlifted in the past year is 265 or 245, but I think I can get it. 225 is going to feel good. We'll see. I just don't want to like fuck up my back or anything because I don't have a belt, but also want to say fuck it and full send it. So, yeah, mid-lift thoughts. I think it's going well. I think we're doing good for the first time back in a week. I don't want to kill myself. Don't want to, go crazy. I'm going to go crazy, but I ain't trying to, trying to live to see tomorrow type shit. Also, wifey's doing some shit, so I'm getting a break here from being a NASCAR pit crew and deadlifting. Oh, that felt good. No belt, that felt good. Probably looks slow, but it probably, I don't know. I can definitely go up. All right, another check-in. We just did 225 for a single. Debating on going up to 245. or 275. I don't want to waste the energy doing 245, but I feel like that's where we got to go without a belt. But I definitely feel like 275 could have moved today. Definitely. I hate that these platforms aren't level. All right, let's go. That felt good. That felt really good. Yeah, we'll probably stop there and now move into legs. All right, so we just finished our deadlift session. Got it to a top single of 245 pounds, not kilos. Again, we don't have kilos here at this gym. So 245 pounds. First time deadlifting in like 6 months or something like that, a while. So maybe I'll find the video and pop it up right over here. So yeah, felt good. Definitely continue to progress. Got to do more legs over time. So yeah, appreciate you guys watching. So let's go do these leg accessories and get the fuck up out of here. All right, so we'll finish off with leg accessories here. Oh, nope. Fuck. It burns. It fucking burns. Holy shit. Whose idea was to do fucking legs? Oh, that would be me. Yeah. My shit's on 10, bro. Huh? Not yet. We will be doing one leg. All right. 2 sets of single legs. All right. Listen. Fellas, I even told you about this hip abduction machine, Buffo. fix the camera. All right, there we go. I think that looks better. Again, you got to get the hips right. We're going into summer, fellas. There's gonna be a lot of activities that we're all gonna want to do, and you can't be stiff. You can't be tight. Not at all. Cause me right now, I'm stiff. I'm tight. And we just walked around Pigeon Forge. Felt good though. I didn't feel bad. But like walking back into the gym, definitely felt that I haven't done legs. I think I've done legs twice or 3 times this year total. So, yeah, I gotta start doing more legs. Oh. So we'll be doing both hip abductions, inner, outer, getting right. Because if you don't get right, you get left. I can't be getting left. I'm just telling y'all. I looked at myself with pictures of how I looked in Pigeon Forge. Upper body looked solid. Lower body wasn't following. Dead ass looked like an upside down Dorito. I look like a motherfucker with no legs. I ain't never looked like a motherfucker with no legs. Like, sway. Yeah, it didn't sit right with me after looking at pictures and coming back from Tennessee. So we're gonna fix that shit. We're gonna start hitting legs twice a week. Before it was maybe once a week. I was doing way more upper body than I was lower body. Because of course, why the fuck not? Would I not do more upper body than I would lower body? You know, male type shit. But I don't know, for y'all out there that skip legs, how do y'all do it? Because I looked at pictures of myself and I did not like the way that shit looked. Not at all. For those who don't skip legs, shouts out to you, because the only problem you got is finding jeans that fucking fit. At that point, you turn into a motherfucker that like me, for example, I wear a 32 because my thighs are big, but my waist is like a 30. Like, the problem's only going to get worse from here. And it's a good fucked up problem to have. Because I want to be able to look fit and look good and have good legs. But the problem is my waist and my... Oh, phone's gonna die. I'm at 5%. That sucks because we still have abs, we have hamstrings still, and we have cardio. And my phone's at 5%. What the fuck am I supposed to listen to? Gym music here is not busting. It's not. I don't want to listen to this. This is gonna be a non-certified banger because I gotta listen to gym music. Does anybody else listen to gym music? Like, who really listens to the gym music? Like, if you don't bring headphones, you're certified not here, bro. Not here. Because I've forgotten headphones and I felt like the workout was not working out. You feel me? Like, I feel like it just doesn't go the way it's supposed to go. But when I have headphones and I lock in, and we get that fucking work in. Hey, how many sets you got? I mean, I guess first leg day back. At least you've been doing legs. I ain't been doing legs. It's a good bad thing with legs right now because it's good. You gotta do legs, can't skip legs, right? Right. But my legs are gonna be sore as shit. I don't want that. I don't want to be sore. I want to be able to walk around. I want to be able to squat down and take a shit without feeling like I'm about to fall over. I want to be able to get up from taking that shit without feeling like I'm gonna fall over. So me doing legs right now is a love-hate relationship. And frankly, I am loving it because I'm here. I'm gonna hate that shit in the next 2 days. And it's never the first day after. It's always the day. It's 2 days after where your shit start to hurt. I gotta run this up. I gotta get right. I gotta eat. That's my main problem. I don't eat enough food. I be eating like I'm supposed to be on the bulk and I don't fucking eat. Does anyone else have that problem? I wake up because I'm a regular person, so I 9 to 5 this shit. At 9 a.m. I'm drinking a cup of coffee, and I'm supposed to eat 2 bowls of oatmeal, or 2 servings of oatmeal. But like, I definitely either don't eat because I'm in meetings and like I'm talking, so it's like I don't have time to eat. Food get cold, then you get all clumpy and shit. Or from eating eggs, if you got the egg ick, then like, you know what I mean? Then you're not gonna want to eat it. So I definitely don't eat. And then the first time I eat, sometimes it may be lunch, or I may have a snack like some chips or some shit. Like, obviously nothing healthy, but like I just don't fucking eat. And then I'll have something before the gym. Normally it's supposed to be a bagel. Today was a burger. All right, what's good, guys? Welcome back in. Oh, what the fuck? All right, guys, this is gonna be a wrap on today's workout. We did deadlifts first time in super long, so hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Again, I'm not no cool influencer that's switching up 45 plates at a time. So we did a top single of 245, and then we finished off with legs, leg extensions, and yeah, so definitely got to start hitting legs more because again, like I said before, doing taking pictures, legs weren't legging. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.